Hello, I'm Sunny. The word of today is "an." In this video, I will teach you how to pronounce it, how to write it, and how to use it. First, let's read together. 我们一起读 "an." So it's only a final "an." Final nose "an." Open mouth, front nose "an." And first time go down "an." Very good. Now let's write it. 我们一起写竖横折横点撇横竖横折横"an." Have 2 minutes. First one is dark. So, it's dark. 我们说天暗了。Here's very dark. 这里很暗。Also, we can mean secretly. But when "an" means secretly, we always do "an." 暗暗的 from a verb. So, 暗暗的 from a verb means do something secretly. For example, 他暗暗的学习中文。He learns Mandarin secretly. Okay, let's mean "an." If you liked today's video, please like and share to your friends. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.